I'm gonna present the crown to him. Take your hand off,
Congratulations, J.J. Rogers. Congratulations.
We're going to be running this back again, but first I'd like to let someone else take the charge.
Watch out, watch out.
If no one else comes to run him, we'll go again. This time, back into that place. Okay?
Way to go, J.J. Rogers and Mr. Styles, ladies and gentlemen, just traded the crown and the cape. I'm sure they're going to do it again.
Since Wayne wanted to call me out, he was standing there next to Styles. Styles was looking like Wayne was up there with his pimp. Looking like Wayne was up there with his pimp talking about, Wayne, give me the money, Wayne, give me the money. Give me the money, Wayne. Look, this is what we gonna do. You call me out, just because you call me out with your fat fender.
Oh, this one for JD. The boys are claiming to go on 9-7. Fat Fender would be out there to take care of that business.
No disrespect to you, I'm fucking you up. Straight like that. That's how we going. You talking, you're doing all this jazz, let's get it. I mean, it's a lose-lose situation for Racial because you're nobody. If it's like going and beating up 7 kindergartners, how the hell can you brag on that? We can't get nothing. We're going to get this in, and we're going to get it all. Enough said.
Did you call him a broad?
A broad. Oh, I forgot. You's a broad, nigga. You's a big ass, yellow,